SoCal approach, 49 or 51 Foxtrot. We're going to Ontario. We've got some electrical smoke.
51 Foxtrot, roger. Whiskey is current. The left is closed, so make right traffic at or above 3500 for runway 26 right.
Okay, we may need to go master off here for 51 Foxtrot. We've got smoke.
51 Foxtrot, you want to go to Brackett at your 1 o'clock, 3 miles?
We've got Ontario in sight. Let's just stand by, 51 Foxtrot. Yeah, we're going to Brackett for 51 Foxtrot.
51 Foxtrot, roger, Brackett, ditch at 1 o'clock and 3 miles. Mike is current, the wind 280 at 4, visibility 6 miles and haze, sky clear, altimeter 29901.
29901, you got a tower frequency for them?
The tower frequency is 118.2 and you want the equipment?
18.2, don't think we need to roll the equipment, but we need priority here.
Okay.
Brackett operations.
Brackett operations, Brackett ground.
Brackett operations.
Brackett operations, Brackett ground.
Brackett ground.
Brackett operations, proceed to taxiway Echo, please, on taxiway Sierra.
Brackett operations.
Brackett operations, we have an aircraft turning right base now, about a mile from the airport. They're going to be landing on runway 26 left, I believe. They're about a minute away.
Brackett operations, roger.
Brackett operations, they're reporting smoke in the cockpit.
Brackett operations, roger.
This is 51 Foxtrot, airport just a mile off your right, contact Brackett Tower on, what did I say, 118.2.
Yeah, traffic, airport's in sight, Brackett 18.2, 51 Foxtrot, thanks.
Cessna 3 Mike Sierra, make this a full stop. Loco 3 Mike Sierra. Cessna 4951 Foxtrot, Brackett Tower, you on frequency?
Yeah, just changed over, 51 Foxtrot.
This is 51 Foxtrot, runway 26 left, cleared to land, wind 240 at 6, Brackett altimeter is 29901.
29901, clear to land 26 left, 4951 Foxtrot.
This is 3 Mike Sierra, contact ground.
Contact ground, 3 Mike Sierra.
Wind 240 at 6. This is 51 Foxtrot. There will be some operations at taxiway Echo if you need it.
Brackett operations, the aircraft that had smoke in the cockpit just landed and they're exiting at Delta. Looks like they landed safely if you want to go meet up with them and ask if they need assistance.
Brackett operations, we'll head over right now.
Sheriff 7.
Sheriff 7, Mike 10.
So the emergency vehicles take off down Sierra. Is there, do we need to spin up a fire crew at all?
Sheriff 7, this is Cessna right here. I'm going to check right now. Cessna 51 Foxtrot, do you need assistance?
51 Foxtrot, we're going to just taxi off to parking here north side and see what's going on.
Sure, sir.
You can continue straight ahead to transient anywhere south of the fuel pit there, and the operations will make a 180 and come over for assistance if you need it.
Thank you, 51 Foxtrot.
Sheriff 7, thanks for that.